Hello guys, my name is Mike, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you what is Metafields, how to use them, and why you have to use Metafields in your Shopify store.
They were good questions. Deserve an answer.
What is Metafields in Shopify? Metafields in Shopify are custom fields that allow you to add extra information to objects such as products, customers, orders, blogs, or pages. Shopify objects do not have many fields in which you can store information, and hence Metafields offer a way to store additional, more specialized information. For example, if you are selling books or whatever, Shopify's default product setup might not have a field for offer, but this information could be critical for your customers. By creating a metafield for your products, you can add offer field to every book you sell. So let's get started. To work with Metafields, you have to open your admin store panel, go to settings, and here you need to find the custom data right here. So now go to products. I will add a Metafield to products, so I'm going to product settings. I need to add a definition, like I will add a location. For example, I don't have data from Shopify that will allow me to show location of my products, so I'm going to add this. So name will be location. Here we'll go to filter like so, and now I'm going to select the type, will be single line text, or also you can add something like multi-line text if you have a long text or whatever. So you can use one value or list of values. For example, if your product only can be purchased from one location, or it's from one location, like I don't know, the USA or from Canada, or if you have like a North American, whatever, just I will use one value. Here you can limit to preset choices or use min-max value or regular expressions to filter, and not to filter, to validate your data here. So I'm going to like this, and don't forget to check and access options that will allow you to show your Metafield to storefront. So I'm going to put the checkbox on storefronts, go to save, and now I have a Metafield on product that called the location. So I'm going to copy this text and go to close this, go to products, open my product, and now when I'm scrolling down I can see that my location is here now. So let's say I put some text here, and now I'll go to the product page for the customizer because I need to show it right now. So now it's not here because we don't show it. We go in here, we are going to add a custom liquid object. We open liquid brackets and put our product Metafields filter location here. So now we can see that our value is here. So we just put a location or wherever. You can style it as you wish. And now we just put it here. Or you can put something like this, like from Canada, or anything you want. So now we can use it here. But what if I'm gonna say that you can go to catalog here and you can add a location, you can add a Metafield here to be able to customers filter your data here. To show filters here as Metafields, you need to go to apps and go to this app, but I can add it for the navigation, so I'm going to add it for the app store. We are going to add an app. Yes, okay, access, okay. So we are going to filters, and here we have some default filters like availability, price, but we are going to add the filters, and here we have a Metafields that we can click on it, and we are going to our collection page here. Just refresh the page. Now we can see a location. So now we can check Canada, or if we have a lot of locations here, you can filter by location of the products, and this is cool feature that Shopify allows you to use an additional information to to your products, to your collections, pages, and stuff like that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. In the next video I'm gonna show you what is meta object is, how to use them. Bye.